Hello, in this video we are going to consider the combinatorics questions, and in this question we have to use the principles of combinatorics. And I know that this topic is one of the most challenging topics in IB, Analysis and Approaches high level. Nevertheless, let's consider this question. Let's read the question carefully. It's given that the farmer has 6 sheep pen arranged in the grid as shown below. The 5 sheep called Amber, Brownie, Curly, Daisy, and Eden, A, B, C, D, E, to be placed in the pens. Each pen is large enough to hold all of the sheep. Amber and Brownie are not known to fight. Find the number of ways placing the sheep in the pens in each of the following cases. Each pen large enough to contain 5 sheep. Amber and Brownie must not be placed in the same pen. Okay, so first of all, what we can say? We can say that each sheep has 6 options, right? Each sheep has six options. It means that the total number of options there, is 6, because there are 6 pens, right? Multiplied by 6 in power 4, right? So it is total number of all the ways to arrange all these 5 sheeps in any of pen. So 6 to the 5 without restriction. And now let's consider the restriction. Now from this amount we are going to subtract our restriction. In this case, restriction is what? Restriction is A and B are in different places. It means that 6 to the 4 is option for A only, right? So that is why 6 to the 5 minus 6 to the 4 it is number of total ways. It is total number of ways possible. So it's actually 5 times 6 to the 4. Or if we will calculate, it is 6,480. So it is part A. Okay. Now part B. In part B it says that each pen may only contain 1 sheep. Now only 1 sheep. Amber and Brownie must not be placed in the pen which share a boundary. Now we are going to split these 2 sheep because they has a good bad relationship. So first of all, we can say that what is the first option? First option is that so first of all, the one pen could be empty, right? So there are, because 5 sheep and 6 places to arrange them. So that is why the total number of ways to place these 5 sheep into these 6 pens is 5 factorial, because it is box principle. Remember, we have 5 sheep and 6 places. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 6 possible options. That is why 6 to be multiplied by 5 factorial. Okay, it is total number of ways. And now let's consider the options where the A and B are together. Okay, so how many options there? We can say that if they're sharing the boundary, it means that there are 4 options total, 4 factorial. So share the boundary, so either this boundary or this boundary. So it is A and B here or there. Okay, so what we can do, we can say that number of ways share the boundary is 2 times 7 times 4 factorial, right? And now we just subtract 720 minus this amount is equal to 720 minus 336, which is this amount of value, 384. Okay, Okay, so hope it was clear, and write your comments. And I think that I will release another explanation on this question, more visual and more detailed. And so wait for the update. Goodbye.